Okay, just a brief demo of what's going on today. This is my Insight on the bench. This is basically my Insight simulator. Here we have the MCM, which I'm working on at the minute to modify for the various things I need for the Supercaps. So on this side though, we have an ECM at the bottom. That's a UK ECM. It's water damaged, but the OBD part works. That's all I need. This one is a BCM here. This is a modified BCM with my battery tap voltage monitor prototype. I've also got an OBD CNC plugged in here, and basically there's a power supply here, current sensor here, a couple of BCM interceptors, key ignition key sensing system here. Then obviously we've got a gauge here, so it's all wired up together. But the main thing that I'm looking at today is obviously modifying the BCM to get the voltages that I need simulated for the system. So we're looking at the OBD CNC. We can see we've got battery voltage on the top BVO, and that comes from the high voltage input connector here. And then further down we've got MDV, and that comes from the MDM voltage, which is fed into the MCM on a little 5-volt ADC, and you can see I've got that simulated at 151. So I'm simulating those, and I'll just go through a quick explanation of what's inside this MCM. So here, the little circuit board here, we have the IMA CNC plug and play. This is actually a CVT MCM, but it doesn't really matter for this testing purposes. Here we have the little